Let me commend the IBC. I think I would want to start there. Jirani and your team, on behalf of our party, we are very satisfied with the services that we got from IBC. We are very, very satisfied, especially your team, yourself and your POs. I feel that you gave us a very credible, believable, verifiable, accurate election. Every time our chief agent or ourselves or our agents were reaching out to you or your officers, the responses were very, very swift and very quick. So we are very happy and we are very satisfied. Allow me to say just one thing, because Commissioner Hassan mentioned it. We cannot normalize this kind of violence during election. If this kind of violence is happening in just a by-election, I wonder what will happen in 2027. If a man in a civilian car can wield an AK-47 at uniformed officers and voters, because we actually feel that this vote would have gone to 60,000, 70,000, going to 65,000. But I feel that there was serious voter suppression when those people are just shooting, everywhere. Everybody is worried about their safety. This is something that I think we'll pursue once we consult our party leader. It's something that we'll pursue with the IBC. Get to understand how people are being allowed at the full glare of the cameras to walk around with the AK-47s and shoot just aimlessly. Now I've been just informed that we have lost somebody. It is not what is supposed to happen. Nobody should lose a life because we have an election. We can compete and compete on ideas. There has not been any war here, commissioners, between the people of Olkalau. You have never had UDA supporters fight with DCP supporters here in Olkalau. It has never happened. There are only goons who are being brought from outside that come up to beat people from both parties. So therefore, when we heard that the election was to be postponed because there is violence, we felt taken aback because the violence was not between the people of Olkalau. We must ensure that we guarantee the security of the voters. Maybe finally, there is a reason why it is written in the Bible, mene mene tekel. There is a reason why it is written. There is a reason why it is in the Bible. Once that time comes, it has come and nothing can stop it. Not even money, not even bribes, not even boots, not even Maragwe, nothing can stop it. Once that time has come, it has come and it is unstoppable, and it has been proven in Olkalau. When you speak about bribery, commissioners, I wonder where we place these government goodies that are being given to voters, because they were not being given there before there was a by-election, or they are not even being given in the other constituencies. If a government has a program for, say, these MECO or whatever government programs, I'm the senator for Nyandarua. I should see it in Kinangop. I should see it in Kipipiri. Why is it happening only in Olkalau? Are we sure that these MECOs will be given after this by-election? Is there an assurance? How would we be sure that it is not just being given because there's an election here? I feel that that forms part of voter bribery. Finally, in the election, in the code of conduct, I think state officers are not allowed to campaign. And that is something that you have deliberately kept a blind eye to. You've seen ministers campaign here. You have even seen them put the poster of a candidate, and they are saying that we are endorsing this candidate. If then that does not fall in the category of campaigning, I wonder what would fall in the category of campaigning. But thank God, they are not popular, their leader is not popular, so when they are campaigning for their candidate, he's becoming more unpopular, so it's not a problem. Maybe it can be a problem in future. I thank you very much. Asanteni sana. Please have a good morning. Our supporters will leave quietly because we've been told this is a school. Tutatoka pole pole. Celebrations will come, Bwana Jirani, there will be many. Once you come out, you know you are no longer an elected official, so you can join us on the road, no problem. Hakuna shida. You can go. You can go. Even need to change his color. And you know you don't have to change. You are in our party color, so it's no problem. It's only that it has a logo, so everything else in it is okay. So nimeshukuru sana. Thank you very much, and enjoy the rest of your morning. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Have a good morning.
Sure.